This feature may not be for everyone, but if you're looking to find this feature, turn it on and make use of it. It's called the color correction found on your OnePlus phone, whether it's OnePlus 12 or 13 with Android 15. Whether you want to turn it on, turn it off, or just experiment with it, go ahead and use the quick access here and tap on the settings icon right there. From here on, go into the search settings and type in color correction. And as you start to type it, you'll notice it's going to show up as a suggestion, this one right here. Once you go into it, you'll see this right there. And for starters, you'll see it's turned off and all your other colors are here. Go ahead and turn it on now and you'll notice how it changes in the colors. With the new adjustments, you'll notice that your display colors are quite different now. And as I switch to this one here, you'll also notice the differences again. And you can just go ahead and have some fun and see what's what. So this one gives you a huge difference. You can see now how the purple looks more pinkish. And finally, if you want the black and white colors only, you can have that as well. All right, that's gonna give you this right there. So with all that said and done, you can also have a shortcut turned on. That's gonna be a quick toggle or one of the volume keys to access that, or this here. And it's up to you to make that decision. And you can turn off the shortcut and as well as come back here and disable the color correction. Like and sub.